Sky's Daily 808, and I'm picking up my very first boat. It's gonna be a project. It's got some work, but it's got potential as well. It's in fair condition. I found it on Facebook for $200, but I worked it down to $100. The guy I'm buying it from, I actually used to work with him at my old job, so he kind of cut me a deal on that one. We're gonna go check it out right now, have the first look. I cleared out my space area where I'm gonna store it. I put up my shelter garage thing at my house so I can store it and work on it as a project in that area. We're gonna check it out right now. Stay tuned. There it is. There it is. Oh, super stoked. He actually gave me the oars along with the boat. And it doesn't look that bad. It looks structurally strong. And it's not like a thin fiberglass boat. It's a pretty thick one. Yeah, man, I'm stoked. I'll show you guys. I'm in traffic right now. I'll show you guys that. Bruh, I cannot believe. It's pretty big. And gotta get it registered. Probably like $50 to use the ramp area. I don't know what the fee is for that, but it's an investment. It's a project, and I think about my kids because I really want to take them on a boat, and I want to go in the bay too. And you know, that's what I always had in my mind, was I want a little boat to go fishing on, take my kids, and I can work towards that now. Thank you, brother Cody, who sold me the boat. I appreciate it, man. This is it. This is my area I'm going to be using. Let's line up. Just looking all over for this thing. Oh, here it is, guys. That is the boat. That is the boat. It is huge. It is huge. So this is the inside. Like I said, guys, it's not perfect, but it is a project. A project it will be. Alright, so there you have it, guys. This is my new boat, and I'm looking forward to working on it and having it as a project. I'm gonna take the kids on this one day. Gonna full on strip it down, recoat it, repair what nicks and dings there is on top of it, and we'll go from there. But this is first of a series. If you guys have any ideas on boat names, comment below. Give me a boat name. So I couldn't wait. Already was I took the transom off, and I'm gonna take the oar handle right here. I'm gonna take that off. I plan on stripping this whole thing down. Strip this whole thing down. Paint, strip the paint. Pretty much bring it down to bare fiberglass and go from there. Patch up whatever cracks. Reseal everything. There's another bolt here. refurbish this. It's got a little minor crack on there. Just gonna, so I know where everything is, I'm just gonna put them back in the holes. The nuts and bolts are nice though, stainless steel. Gotta. I believe this is a Game Fisher. Yeah. Let's take the took the transom plate off. The little rod holder I'm gonna take off too. This I'm gonna take off right now. Okay, crank it up. Beautiful. Beautiful. Too much power. This one looks alright, it's not cracked. The other one had a little crack. Like I said, put the bolts back into these holes. There you go. He gave me the oars with the boat. Paperwork. License plate from the old trailer. Dude, you're not gonna find this kind of a deal for $100. I had to hop on it. They just screwed this one right into the rail. Not stainless. So just a rod holder. Clamp. What else can I take? That's all the minor stuff I want to do right now. In here, got some dry rot. I'm gonna have to cut this open. I'm gonna have to make my own cover for this. There's no cover for it. The cooler, it's pretty cool. Fish box, not too shabby. Just gotta replace the seals in here. Probably gonna take this hinge off, sand it down, bring it back to that nice chrome stainless look. That can be a seat as well. I've seen people made a nice decking for the flooring. Doesn't look too hard, but like I said, this is gonna be a project. My first boat, and I'm gonna take a lot of pride and take my time on this, although I need to really make it to my specs how I want it to. It's a very special project to me. I've always wanted a little boat, and now I got one. Alright guys, this might be a long project, but I want to take you guys along with me on this journey and document everything I do to this thing. Just got this thing home. First thing I did was I took off the old brackets off, or the oars, took the fish holder off, the transom plate, took that off. Next thing I want to work on is just scraping off this old paint and pretty much getting it nice and smooth, and we can go from there. Subscribe to my channel, stay tuned, thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you guys have a name for this boat, drop it in the comments. Dudes.